At number 1, we have the SKIL PWR Core 20V Brushless Flip Drill. The headline feature? A dual 1/4-inch hex collet design. Flip the chuck to instantly switch between drilling and driving bits. It also features a handy integrated magnetic screw holder, keeping your fasteners right where you need them. Powering it all is a brushless motor delivering up to 1,700 RPM, 350 in-lbs of torque, and a longer tool life. You get 9 electronic clutch settings plus drill mode, allowing for precise control across a variety of materials. The 2-speed compact design makes it ideal for furniture assembly, woodworking, and general home repairs. And it's flexible, working with both SKIL 12V and 20V batteries. The pros are clear: excellent convenience with fewer bit changes, a strong power to portability balance, and useful features like the clutch and magnetic holder. But there are cons. The dual collet system is less conventional, and it doesn't automatically improve drilling accuracy. It's also limited to 1 to 4-inch accessories, and those premium features might be overkill for occasional DIYers. A solid tool, but your needs will determine if it's the one for you.
At number 2, we have the DEWALT 20V Max XR Brushless 3-speed hammer drill driver. It's designed for users who prioritize raw power, speed control, and professional-level versatility, tackling jobs where a consumer drill would struggle. Its multiple speed settings make it much easier to control that power. By selecting a lower speed, you can drive screws with greater control and reduce stripping. One of the most valuable features is the anti-rotation system, which detects excessive rotational movement during a bind-up and shuts the motor down to protect the user. DEWALT's premium XR platform also offers a brushless motor, 3-speed transmission, adjustable torque control, and an LED work light. This is the drill I recommend for serious DIYers, remodelers, contractors, and anyone who wants a powerful cordless tool that can handle any application.
At number 3, we have the SKIL PWR Core 20V Brushless Compact Drill Driver. It stands out as an excellent value for DIYers who want strong cordless performance without the premium price. Despite its size, the brushless motor provides impressive power. It bored a 1/2 2-inch hole through a 2A4 in roughly 3 seconds. It also handled 3-inch screws without difficulty when used as a driver. However, performance with larger 1-inch spade bits was less consistent, with the bit occasionally binding in the wood. One of the biggest advantages is its lightweight design, weighing just over 2 pounds, making it easier to handle and reducing fatigue. The SKIL PWR Core 25 offers up to 450 in-lbs of torque, a compact 1/2-inch chuck, and a convenient LED work light. It lacks some pro features, but for homeowners and DIYers, the SKIL delivers a strong combination of power, portability, and affordability.
At number 4, we have the AVID Power 20V Cordless Drill Set. This is one of Amazon's top-selling budget drills, praised by thousands for its solid performance and unbeatable value. It's a complete starter kit. You get the drill, battery, charger, and a full set of bits to start your projects right away. With variable speed and multiple torque settings, it gives you great control. Plus, it's lightweight and has a comfortable grip, perfect for beginners. Features like the built-in LED light are super handy for those dimly lit workspaces around the house. In short, it's perfect for homeowners tackling furniture assembly, hanging pictures, and basic repairs. Just keep in mind, it's not built for heavy construction or all-day professional use. Overall, the AVID Power Drill offers incredible value for light to moderate household tasks. A reliable tool for any DIYer's toolkit.
At number 5, we have the popular BLACK+DECKER kit. This Amazon bestseller is a complete home solution with a 24-position clutch for perfect control on any material. Plus, you get a massive 100-piece accessory kit. It's everything you need to tackle most DIY and repair jobs. The comfortable soft grip handle and keyless chuck make every project easier and faster. And the lithium-ion battery holds its charge for ages, so it's ready when you are. It even works with other BLACK+DECKER tools. A practical, ready-to-use package for everyday household tasks. This is the kit that does it all.